If you need to access your Namecheap email quickly, this video will show you exactly how to log in just a few simple steps. Whether you're checking messages for business, personal use, or managing a custom domain inbox, the process is straightforward once you know where to go. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to privateemail.com. This is the official login page for Namecheap Private Email, and it's where you'll sign in to your mailbox. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form right away. In the first field, enter your full Namecheap email address exactly as it was set up. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, missing characters, or extra spaces, because even a small typo can stop you from signing in. Next, move to the password field and enter the password for your email account. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive, so if you use uppercase and lowercase letters, make sure they're entered correctly. If you're copying and pasting your password, double check that nothing extra is included. After that, take one last look at your email address and password to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the login button. Once you do that, the system will verify your details and take you into your Namecheap mailbox. After a successful login, your inbox will open and you'll be able to read, send, and manage your emails from there. If you ever have trouble signing in, the most common issues are entering the wrong email address, using an incorrect password, or trying to log in from the wrong page. So always make sure you're using the official private email site and that your credentials are entered properly. And that's it, you've now learned how to log into Namecheap email. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.